Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that was made for New York City, the city that I was born and raised in. We're talking about the Nike Air Force One New York City edition. But before we get into this shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we dropping new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And just to let y'all know, this video is sponsored by the good people over at Law & Great. Shout out to my man Hoop Kid, man. He dropping that fire merch. I'll definitely put his link in the bio so you guys can check out the merch that he's been dropping. And don't forget about that P4YT merch. I just dropped this hoodie. Our hearts aren't the same with the heart right here, red heart, man. It comes in the black hoodie and also comes in the white. So go to our Instagram account to check that out. But I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into this shoe. Alright guys, here we go. Nike Air Force One New York City edition. Let's get into this shoe. We're gonna get into the right shoe first, man. As you can see, you got the orange right here on the toe box with the blue swoosh. I guess this goes for like the Mets and the Knicks right here. Then you got the black toe box right here. You got the red shoestrings. You go in here, and the inside you got the pinstripes for the Yankees. Not too sure what the black pad leather with the yellow goes for, because not too many teams in New York City wears those colors. The royal blue goes for the Knicks, Mets, of course. We have like a little furry suede back here, little emerald green right here. You got New York written right here in gold. You got the black sole with the clear gum bottom. Flip the shoe over to the other side. You got the cream in the inside here with the silver swoosh going up here with the red back here. You got the white air right here on the tongue. You got a white tongue, black and gold Nike Air Force One sign on here. And the inside of the shoe, I don't know if you guys can see that, it says New York. Let's get into the left foot now. You got the emerald green here, that's on the back panel of the right foot. Got the white swoosh here, gold swoosh, black jean material here, New York written right here in silver. You got the basketball material back here on the back panel. Got yellow here. You got the purple swoosh with the pink lining going around it. White toe box, orange shoestrings, black tongue, white and red Nike Air Force One sign, man. Honestly, I'm gonna keep it 100 about this shoe, man. I like the idea they was going for with this shoe, you know, just to try to throw a bunch of New York teams and stuff, man. Give it a little New York feel. And me being from New York and being a huge Air Force One collector and fan of since way back in the days, man. You can check the channel. I got mad Air Force Ones on this channel. A lot of classic joints. I got a couple of, joints that I made on my own. But that's either here nor there, man. Right here, the Dubre. You got the silver Dubre on the left foot. Then you got the gold Dubre on the right foot. To keep it 100 with you, man, this shoe, honestly, I'm gonna keep it all the way 100 with y'all, man. This shoe could have came out a lot better, man. I feel like if you're gonna do a New York City Air Force One, you have to involve the sneaker gods of New York City. Like Clark Kent, DJ Clark Kent should have been involved in making this shoe. Mayer should have been involved in making this shoe. Those guys are pillars in the Air Force One community. If you've been collecting shoes for a while, you know they're pillars in the sneaker community, period. Those two guys should have been heavily involved in making a New York City Air Force One, especially if this is where they're from. Come on, guys, man. Like, you gotta do better, man. I don't know who you guys got to actually design this shoe. It came out okay at best to me, you know what I'm saying? I'm just not a fan of all the colors and everything on it, man. Like, I understand what y'all doing with the whole what the look and all that, but everything that's, like, y'all killing the whole what the look, man. Like, I understand y'all got the what the LeBrons and what the KDs and all that stuff, like, what the Dunks and, a bunch of stuff like that. But don't kill an idea, man. Y'all been killing a lot of ideas lately, man. But if you're gonna do something, New York City, and especially if it's an Air Force One, Clark Kent should be involved, man. If you disagree, leave it in the comments below, man. Shoe, it was pretty hard to get, A lot of people here in New York, they flipping for, I think 300, probably a little less than that. So, a lot of people wanted to flip. New York City is what they do here. They flip a lot of shoes. really feel like this shoe should have been, they should have had some more input on this shoe, man. That's how I feel, man. If you disagree, leave it in the comments below. But let me know what y'all think about the shoe. Y'all think the shoe's clean? Y'all think it's fire, man? Leave it in the comments below. You know, I answer all questions. I get back to you guys as soon as possible. As soon as I get notifications to my phone, or if I get on the computer, if I'm on the computer, I'll respond to you guys immediately. I know I've been gone for a while. I haven't been really buying any shoes, anything like that. I haven't got my hands on anything lately, so I wasn't really doing any indie reviews. I got a couple videos that I could drop that, you know, a couple of old shoes that I did, man. If you want me to drop those videos, man, leave in the comments below. But yeah, man, this ain't it, Nike. This ain't the wave right here, man. I strongly disagree. You guys definitely should have had some more creative people who's been doing Air Force Ones involved with this, man. If you disagree, leave in the comments below. Oh, but y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate these, man. And out of 5 pennies, I'm definitely gonna have to get these, man. 3 out of 5 pennies. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan at all, man. Nike, I've been killing y'all lately too, man. Like, I don't know what's going on with Nike and Jordan Brand. I don't know what's going on, but I'm not a fan of the BS, man. I tell people all the time, buy what you like, forget about the hype, man. Buy what you like, man. If you like the shoe, try to get your hands on it. Don't worry about the hype, man. At the end of the day, you're gonna feel better buying the shoe that you like instead of what the people telling you to like, man. And if, you know, man, 3 out of 5 pennies. If y'all disagree, leave it in the comments below, man. But I think this shoe could have been much better. I think I could have designed a better shoe, a better looking shoe than this, and I have. If you look at my channel, if you look at a couple of IDs that I made better shoes that look better than this, man. But if you disagree, leave in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And y'all know we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.